Are you looking to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your windows in Ontario? Installing blinds, shutters, and window shades can transform your space and provide numerous benefits. From achieving optimal privacy and light control to enhancing energy efficiency and adding a touch of style, these window treatments offer a range of advantages. Blinds are a popular choice for their versatility and affordability. Whether you prefer vertical, horizontal, or mini blinds, they come in various materials, colors, and styles to suit your taste and needs. Shutters, on the other hand, offer a classic and sophisticated look. They are known for their durability and ability to regulate light and privacy effectively. Window shades come in a variety of options, including roller, cellular, Roman, and solar shades. They offer both style and functionality, allowing you to control the amount of light and heat coming into your space. At Diamond Custom Shutters, we understand the importance of quality window treatments that complement your home's decor and meet your specific requirements. Our range of blinds, shutters, and window shades are designed to enhance your windows and provide the desired level of privacy, light control, and energy efficiency. With our expert installation services, you can rest assured that your new window treatments will be professionally installed, ensuring a flawless and secure fit. Transform your windows into stunning focal points while enjoying the benefits of enhanced privacy and energy efficiency. Contact Diamond Custom Shutters today for the finest selection of blinds, shutters, and window shades in Ontario.